begin assembling your stroller, unfold the chassis, click the rear wheels onto the chassis, then attach the front wheels. Engage the brake and adjust the handlebar. Next, click the bassinet onto the chassis, unzip the apron and lift the mattress. Attach the stiffeners to the board before placing the mattress back and attaching the carry handle. Install the sun canopy by first attaching one clamp on one side. Guide the recline handle through the canopy opening at the back and attach the second clamp. Unfold the canopy and attach the elastic loops on the clamps on both sides. Then, attach the side bag to the chassis.